My name is Sarah. What is your name? I haven't seen you here before. Are you new here?
My name is John. Yes, I am new here. You are very pretty.
What are you doing, John?
I am an English teacher. What do you do, Sarah?
I am looking for a job. I have completed my degree recently.
That's great. What are you interested in?
Well, maybe I am interested in administration job, where I can make interesting decisions.
I think I can help you. I have a friend in administration Black.
Oh really? I would be very happy if you help me.
No problem. I will help you, pretty girl.
Here is my phone number. Call me. I will be waiting for call. See you. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, pretty girl. Meet me again.
That boy was so kind to me, wasn't he? Let me call him for dinner tonight. Maybe he also likes me. But wait, what will I cook for him? It must be something special. Welcome to my house, John.
Thank you so much for your invitation. Sarah, I really appreciate you.
No problem, dear. You know what, I am here for so long, but I never met anybody like you. You have a charming personality.
Thanks for your compliment. I know what you mean.
Let me take you around and show you my neighborhood.
Let's go then. I am sorry I am sneezing.
John, you know, I have a lot of good memories of my childhood related to this park. When I was child, we used to play after school every day. I am just missing those days.
Oh, dear, don't be sad. I know we all have very sweet memories of our childhood, but no, we are young. We have to make our lives enjoyable.
Yes, you are absolutely right. I am sorry. I did not ask you about your family. Can you tell me about your family, please?
Sure, why not? I am the elder son of my father, and I have one young brother and two sisters. My father is a police officer, and my mom works in the hospital.
That's awesome. By the way, how long have you been living here?
I have been living here for a month. And I am new here in your town. Basically, I am from Japan, but I grew up here in America.
That's very nice. Let me tell you about my family now. My father is a businessman in Central Asia, and my mom is a housewife. Both are very loving. And I have only one brother. He reads in class 5th.
Thank you for giving me your family information.
No problem.
Now it's my turn to take you somewhere else. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Wow, nice place.
Yes, I knew it that you would like it. You're gorgeous.
Thanks for praising me. Yes, I was right, he also loves me. John, I have a question. Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have any girlfriend.
But, you are very handsome. How a person can be single who has such a good personality. Well spoken.
Come on, I am not that much good looking.
It's true, you are a good looking man.
Really? Let's move on, pretty girl.
Okay, dear.
I am very happy today.
So am I.
Let's celebrate the moment. I am in love with her. I cannot live without her. She also loves me. What if she doesn't love me? No, no. She must be loving me. I am just doing overthinking.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Nothing special. I am just thinking. When will the bus come here? We are already late.
Calm down. The bus will be here in the next few minutes. Does this coffee shop have something special?
Yeah, it has a very good taste. Once you taste, you would love it.
Oh, really? He is very kind to me. I should tell him that I am in love with him. No, I should wait to know more about him.
Thinking about me.
Let's order something, John. What would you like to have?
I would like to have a cup of coffee.
John, will you be free on Sunday?
Yes, I guess I don't have anything to do on Sunday.
Great, then let's make a plan for upcoming Sunday.
Why not? I will call you at 7 o'clock in the morning.
But it's too early. Isn't it?
You know, I want to spend my time with you as much as possible.
Oh. It's something that music's my ears.
Next day in morning. Today is another day to have time with that pretty girl. I must prepare my proposal. I shouldn't miss this opportunity.
I think it's too late. John will be waiting for me. I have to get ready as soon as possible. Because John will be angry at me. I am getting late. I should change my cloth first.
I have been waiting for you since morning.
I am sorry. I woke up very late today. I can't wake up early.
I can understand. Look at this jungle. It's one of my favorite places.
I also like this jungle.
I want to say something. You are very beautiful. I can't live without you.
I am also into you. No. What are you doing?
I want to hug you.
No, please.
Please let me do it.
You are so naughty.
No, I am not.
Let's eat some good food. This dress looks good on you.
Thank you. Let's have a seat.
I really wanted to have you, but it was very difficult for me to express my thoughts.
I can understand. Girls are not good at this.
We came here yesterday. The food was delicious.
Really? Who were you came with?
I came here with my friends. We ate food and then went to the nearest market for shopping.
That's awesome. What did you buy?
So many things. I can't count them all, but let me try. Jacket, necklace, anklet, bracelet, watch for my little sister, and a bag for my brother.
Wow, niece, you're a very responsible girl at all. After the lunch, it was fantastic. The meal was very tasty. As you said before, it came true. I wasn't expecting that much tasty food.
Thank you. I knew that you would like it. What is your school schedule for winter?
It's not prepared yet. But the principal has said, the new schedule will be implemented soon.
That's great, you will have some relief at least.
Yes, you are right.
I am always right.
Ha ha ha. Would you like to come with me to my house?
My mom will be angry at me.
Come on, we're adults now.
Yes, I know, I will think about it.
Sure, pretty girl. You must think about it. I will be very happy to have you in my bedroom.
Stop, do not be stupid.
I am just joking. I mean to have you at my home.
I know you are joking. But it sounds stupid.
I am really into joke.
I know you are naughty as well. I think we should visit the nearest park.
Not only park, let's see something special.